Gentlemen, for her encore, we
Phil
have
from Got Memories here. So this is another mini DV situation going on. So this is very common. Look at this. This is all pixelation. It's coming through on this here. Even though you start to see this and you go, okay, it's all cleared up and everything, but it is still tiny artifacts in here, and it doesn't, yeah. So I'm going to stop it here and you can see the actual digital file from where I began. So it's tape 7. And you think it might clear up, but it doesn't. And I'm kind of watching it down here. But look at this. I mean, this is just very typical. Look, drop out. This is what you get from all these cheap online box companies. Crap. So, oh look, it's gone to crap again. So you're gonna look at, let's see. So look, there it is, it's back again. It looked clear, you know, when I switched over to that, but no. So what this needs is head cleaner. And hopefully this does the trick. If it doesn't do the trick, then you've got to go into the guts of it and really give it a clean, or replace the head. So I've got that tape in there. Only use Sony head cleaners, and you give it about 10 seconds or so, and then hopefully you will have a clear picture. Sometimes I run it a couple times, but let's have a look here. So put that tape back in, and I'm gonna rewind the tape to the beginning. Sometimes at the beginning you might get artifacts just from dirt, particles that clog the heads, or you know, environmental situations. Let's start this and see what we got. Yeah, clear picture and audio.
The one, the only, the amazing Sailor Moon.
So,
yay!
There we go, tape saved. And that is why you have to go through a transfer company that's going to be doing this correctly, that's got a head and a heart, and goes, you know what, why does this look like crap? Unlike everywhere else out there, all these crappy online box companies, as I preach about in my videos, my number one thing I tell everybody, consumer awareness. Okay, find somebody that has a YouTube channel and also perfect Google scores if you're going to be handing over the only copy of your home movies. Here's one here that was given a few issues. I think I fixed this one.
Could you bring my glasses down?
Okay, this one's clear now. That one had the same issue as before, as that other one did. Ran head cleaner. You know, it's Christmas Day 2002. I mean, do you want to like watch it clear? You know, the kids coming downstairs and all that kind of stuff. You know, and do you want it clear or do you want it crappy and unwatchable? You know. This is what it needs to look like. Nice, neat, orderly. These are old video 8 tapes from the late 80s, early 90s, clear as day. And this is what I do. I produce clear videotape transfers. And if you're looking for bargain basement pricing, that's not me. But if you're looking for a top quality job done, and you want to do this once and you want to do it right, you want to have it knocked out of the park by a passionate professional that's been doing this a long time, me. If you're looking to do this yourself, good luck, because all this equipment is 20 to 40 years old, and trying to find parts, somebody to fix the stuff is pretty much non-existent these days. So yeah, if you're going on eBay buying all this crap, you're wasting money most of the time, and then you put your tape in, you plug it up, and then your tape's stuck. And then you're having to ship me all the tapes with an old crappy camera with a tape stuck inside, and I got to take a crowbar to get it out. So, yeah, but anyway, if you are looking to do this yourself, all the best. If you are looking for a top quality transfer company, Phil at gotmemories.com. You can fill out the quote form. I do have minimum charges. If you are looking for bargain basement pricing, don't waste your time or mine. This is a specialized service, and especially trying to find somebody in the US or anywhere in the world for that matter to do this correctly. It does take time, patience, equipment, expertise, know-how. If you are in Phoenix, you can drop off with an appointment. As you can see right there, I have the curtain up because, well, it's Saturday morning, but I have to get work done at some point. But yeah, retail location, bricks and mortar, and once again, as you'll see in my videos, Google reviews. So if you are looking around for a company, make sure they are 5.0 with hundreds of reviews. Because there's no redos with this stuff. You got one copy of this stuff, and if it means anything to you, handing it over to the lowest bidder, i.e. those shitty companies. What are they? iMemories, Legacy Box, Kodak Digitizing, Southtree. They're all crap. Don't take my word for it. Go to their Facebook ads and click on the comments, and you will see, holy shit, it's terrible. Anyway, all the best to you. But head cleaning, clean heads, and that's pretty much it for today. Cheers.